Good morning to you all. We all are facing corona epidemic all over the world. This disease has created a lot of problem. We all are facing lockdown due to corona. The whole world is also facing this corona epidemic. We have lost more than 2 lakhs lives all over the world due to this epidemic. Our country is also suffering due to corona epidemic. We are facing lockdown since last 40 days and may face for 2 or more weeks. The world economy is suffering badly due to corona epidemic. Our country's economy is also suffering badly due to this epidemic. We all are kept inside our homes and our students' study is also suffering. We are not able to open our schools in this situation, but we have a hope in the time of crisis. Our hope is our dedicated teachers and educationists. We have tried our best to solve the problem of corona epidemic. Our teachers find out the way and hope through e-classrooms. We have started class teaching effectively and efficiently. We are using Google e-classroom, WhatsApp platform, Skype and other ways of teaching. We are also using Diksha app and Swayam portal for online teaching of students. Swayam Prabha channel is also broadcasting subject wise and topic wise every day. We are also having online platform like Khan Academy and TCS online classes which are free of cost. Our teachers are making their own videos of teaching in a simple and students friendly language and are also uploading videos on our YouTube channel https://www.youtube.com/users/kv1roorkee. This channel is playing a vital role in the learning of the students. In starting, students and teachers were facing problems, but now they have overcome all problems and now they all are doing in an excellent way. In crisis, all our students find a ray of hope and they have started doing in an excellent way. Now they are using our YouTube channel effectively and efficiently. We have also conducted online examination for all classes. The performance of the student in the examination is also good. However, it may not be just like the regular school teaching, but online teaching is the best way of teaching in the corona epidemic at this time. We all are trying to find a way to come out of this corona epidemic. I hope that we will surely come out of this corona epidemic. We will get the victory over this epidemic. All our students are brave and they will face and pass this time happily, keeping in the mind the all safety measures of COVID-19. The student will enjoy the online classes. They will surely do better at this time and I hope they will perform in a better way. All our students know how to overcome this crisis. We will surely win the battle of corona with the help of our students. They will now perform in a better way and will enjoy online teaching and online classes effectively and efficiently. We are also providing session for the doubts of the students. Hence, student may enjoy these classes like regular classes. We are doing our best to minimize the loss of study of students by online classes. We are finding a hope in the time of crisis through online classes and online teaching. We will overcome the corona epidemic. I would like to salute all those who are fighting against corona like doctors, medical staff, police, sweeping staff and our students and parents at this time of crisis. Be safe, be at home, enjoy the online teaching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.